Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on the power of good sex in relationships. Whether you're in a new relationship or a long-term partnership, sexual intimacy can have a profound impact on the health and happiness of your relationship. In this video, we'll explore the many ways that good sex can help to heal any wounds that may exist, improve communication, increase intimacy, and bring you closer together. So, let's dive in and discover the many benefits of good sex in relationships. Tip 1. Improved communication. Good sex requires communication, and this can lead to improved communication in other areas of your relationship as well. When you communicate about what you enjoy in bed, it can help to open up lines of communication for other important topics as well. Tip 2. Increased intimacy. Intimacy goes beyond just physical touch. When you are intimate with your partner, you are sharing a vulnerable and intimate moment that can help to strengthen your bond. Good sex can help to increase intimacy in your relationship and create a deeper level of connection. Tip 3. Reduced stress. Stress can have a major impact on relationships. Good sex releases endorphins, which can help to reduce stress levels and improve your overall well-being. Tip 4. Improved self-esteem. Good sex can help to boost your self-esteem and confidence, which in turn can have a positive impact on your relationship. When you feel good about yourself, it can help to improve your relationship and reduce any tension that may exist. Tip 5. Enhance trust. Good sex requires a level of trust, and this can help to enhance trust in other areas of your relationship. When you trust your partner in the bedroom, it can lead to a deeper level of trust in other areas of your relationship. Tip 6. Increased understanding. Good sex requires understanding and empathy for your partner's needs and desires. When you understand each other's needs and desires in the bedroom, it can help to increase understanding and empathy in other areas of your relationship. Tip 7. Improved problem-solving skills. Good sex requires a level of teamwork and problem-solving skills. When you work together to achieve a satisfying sexual experience, it can help to improve your problem-solving skills and increase your ability to work together in other areas of your relationship. Tip 8. More shared experiences. Sharing experiences can help to strengthen your bond and create new memories. Good sex provides a new shared experience that can bring you closer together and help to heal any wounds that may exist. Tip 9. Better conflict resolution. Conflict is a natural part of any relationship, but good sex can help to reduce the impact of conflict. When you are intimate with your partner, it can help to reduce tension and make it easier to resolve conflicts in a positive way. Tip 10. Increased appreciation. Good sex can help to increase your appreciation for each other. When you are intimate with your partner, it can help to remind you of why you fell in love in the first place and increase your appreciation for each other. Remember, good sexual intimacy is an important part of a healthy and fulfilling relationship. Take the time to prioritize it and enjoy the many benefits it can bring. In conclusion, good sex can have a powerful impact on your relationship. It can improve communication, increase intimacy, reduce stress, boost self-esteem, and enhance trust. So, make sure to prioritize good sexual intimacy in your relationship and watch your relationship grow stronger as a result. Thanks for watching.